Today, I'm going after 270 bugs. One for sure, the second one, the deal is kind of questionable as to whether it'll happen or not, but there's some extra parts and things like that. So as you can see, I've already got the truck and trailer all hooked up behind me. So let's load up and go check them out. I can see the yellow one from here. Looks like I'm gonna have to pull around. No motor. Got some wheel adapters on here. There's the deck lid. Package tray's gone. Aftermarket seats. Apron's got a bit of a bugger on it there. Rear apron also. Under. Pretty solid looking. Yeah, maybe not. Oh, here we go. Yeah, that's not bad. Nice moldy headliner. That's refreshing. All right, let's see what floors are like in this thing. I'll get the seat out of the way here. It might not be too bad. And let's see this. At least we got, let's see, there's one Volkswagen wheel, Chevy or Buick or whatever that is. So we got two non-VW wheels. It's not bad. Dent there. Obviously somebody did the typical, I don't know where to hook a Volkswagen to pull it. Gotta love that. Oh yeah. Got some dirt track set up here. Getting wide. Yeah. Quarter panels don't look bad. I don't look like it's been hit there. Let's see if this is open. Oh. Looks unhit. Got your favorite beverages. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Shoot, windshield even seems good. Heater channel on this side. See what this door's like to open. Yeah, this one looks pretty good. Let's check out this yellow one. This apron's not bad at all. One spot there. No trans in this one. Kinds of parts. Got some early bumpers, and there's the front clip that they hacked off. Let's see if you got how bad it got whacked. I wonder if the yep. I believe. Yep, VIN tags on there. That's good. They got a new one in here already. Got a little bit of rot on that side. Oh, look at the package tray in this one. Solid. Excellent. Need that package tray in that car over there. That would have been good. Dang, headliner's not bad. It probably wasn't a bad looking car until it got wrecked. Ooh. Check out the frame head. Nice split all in here. Oh yeah. They already come in and removed that. We got it, getting it prepped out. Looks like they started removing the wiring. Looks like the old Mako paint job. Oh well, tunnel's been all hacked. Is that another dash section? We'll dig in here and see what kind of goodies. I'm sure there ain't much, but we'll see what we get. Running out of daylight in a hurry. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one loaded up since the deal's already sealed on this one. So just turn this around, try not to mess up their field. They've been working on this a bit here lately. So get this turned around, back it in, and get her loaded up. I'm gonna get the air tank and see if they'll hold air. Yep, that's not gonna happen. All right, let's try the next one. That should be good on that one. We got 1 out of 2. Let's see if we can get 3 out of 4. Well, 2. No kidding. We got 3 out of 4. Not too bad. All right, let's get this put up, get the ramps out. All right, so we're gonna let the battery rest for a minute. and get over here and grab the parts out of this thing. It's getting dark in a hurry. Yeah, just go ahead and pull them out and just take them around and set them behind the truck, and I'll pack them in there. Bring them on this side. You got to teach them while they're young. They're good helpers. You guys are good helpers, aren't you?
Yep.
All right. Get all that stuff out of there. Just grab it all. All right, so it's day 2. We're coming back to get the yellow one. I closed the deal on it last night. It poured all day yesterday, so we'll see what kind of mucky mess we get into here. But maybe we'll get lucky and be quick in, quick out. Shake it pretty good then. Ready? Back and forth. There we go. One more. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. Well, we're good up here. So, see, turn a little easier. Okay. All right. Now, let's push it forward. Ready? Yep. Rock it. 1, 2, go. Oh, the body's not even bolting on.
Yeah, I know.
Well, that'll make less work for me. All right, so I got them both back here at the shop now. You can see I already unloaded the black one, and getting ready just to shove this one off for now. So that's the end of this video. I'll post another one when I get a chance to get these things cleaned out and see what they're really like and figure out what I'm going to do with them. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment, and stay tuned for more to come. See you next time. Let's see if it plays nice or not. Fell in a hole. Where's the kids when you need them? Gotta go play.